Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Are you facing the Instagram story effect not showing problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix issue and get your effect back quickly. Many users are because Instagram filter effect suddenly disappear from the story camera. This can happen due to bugs, outdated version or cache problem. But the good news is you can fix it easily. First press Instagram app icon. Then select App Info icon. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Cache. If you remember your password, you can also clear data for better fix. After that, update your Instagram app from Play Store to the latest version. If the problem still continue, I will also show you a final trick how to report the issue directly to Instagram so they can fix it from their side. Make sure to watch the full video and follow each step carefully without skipping. This method has worked for many users and you can help you too. Open Instagram. Then click Profile. Then click Menu Bar. Then scroll down and click Help. Click Report a technical problem. Turn off this option. Click Report Problem. Then click Include and Continue. Then type this email. If you want, you can provide a screenshot of your problem. Then click Send. Wait for 72 hours and issue may be fixed automatically. If the problem still continue, make sure to comment below and let me know your phone model and Android or iOS version. I will help you with a proper solution based on your device. Stay connected for updates. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.